today I'm taking MIDI Me, my little medium-sized helper, MIDI Me, my medium-sized helper, to help me at the workshop, going to Simon's, mid-customs, and having a fiberglass kit. So you can guess what's on the vlog today. We're doing a fiberglass seat unit. Do selfie style. You look happy.
I'm frozen in time.
You just went black. And this needs to go like this. I know, I'm not touching it.
I'm out of the camera, then I can't see it. Yes, sculpted. Yeah.
It starts from here, so maybe.
We're gonna make the seat base sit over these.
Also, it's gonna sit over these.
Yeah,
so I think I need to do that first. The first time in my lifetime I've been to the seat on a masking tape.
And me.
And you too?
Yeah.
You never made a seat on a masking tape?
Yeah, I have. I was like that.
You need to hold inside.
What we've got to is imagine you.
I got it now, so I don't have to sculpt it. Okay.
We're gonna. Oh, that's
yeah.
nice.
No, it wasn't.
And then when we go to locate it,
yeah,
we can use these little bits.
Yeah,
to sit
yeah,
on.
exactly. That's why it wasn't good enough. So now it's better. Don't touch the hot bits. Don't again.
Have you got a drink?
No, but it would be lovely to have a cup of tea. Thank you, Simon.
I'll make it.
Or should I call you Simone?
I'll make it. Simone? Yeah.
Simone? When you're making tea, I'm gonna call you Simone.
Okay.
You sounded like you said on that bike, on the spike. I got my son, MIDI Me today, Medium Me today, to the workshop to help me filming and everything, but guess what he's doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You found a bicycle? Is that Sam's bicycle?
Yep.
What you gonna do with it?
Try wheelie it.
Okay, I'll meet you around the back. Number one.
Your biggest fan.
This is my This is my biggest fan. You can't do the joke. I've just worked for that joke. What?
That's the fan for 2 days when it's summer in the UK.
What you doing?
I'm doing a seat unit. I'm gonna be doing fiberglass on it. At the moment.
Fiberglass for what?
For seat.
Yeah.
For my seat.
Get off of it!
Yeah.
I was sitting in the stands all day yesterday. Was ya? Yeah. That does look ever so sore. It is sore. Is your head sore? No, my head's all right. My head's perfect. I had me out all day. Did ya? Yeah. But that knee looks particularly warm. Yes, it is warm. I can smell it. This is like bacon. Right, so now then.
Just remember when you have important things to say, we need to switch that fan off.
Okay,
Your giant fan that is bigger than you.
okay.
And over.
That's just been done, that has. Right. 54, I have it done regularly. As you should have it done regularly.
Yes, I should have.
And you should have it done regularly. And you don't need it doing
20 years,
20 for 20 years. Right.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Look at my son's face. Stop
Nice,
talking
Rob.
like this.
No,
You scared the child.
it's a medical thing.
Sorry.
You dribbled then as well.
It won't happen again. Honestly, it won't happen again, I'm sorry. Sorry. It does.
And you have to mix it with
Gonna-
the thickener.
I'm going to lay this out first and have a little look at what we need, where we need.
And all the way up.
Wow, that, yeah, it's going to overcut, aren't we? Look at that. Yeah. So there,
With the shares.
these shares.
Tape.
Yeah!
How many layers you put in? 3?
As many as we have. 3, yeah.
No, we're going to go,
There's more.
we're going to go, no, we're going to crack on, mate.
Got another pack.
Got another bag, yeah. Okay.
Just watch the start of this, Robert, then we'll hit the road.
Yes! Yes, guys. Right. You want anything on your arms or anything? You're just going to go for it.
This. Better than duct tape. I was actually told by one of my followers on Instagram and YouTube that talcum powder, baby powder, helps to close your pores. But I forgot. I mean, I'm really good, but I forgot to buy it.
How long does that take to go off then, F?
Not very long,
No.
especially in this heat. I know, although it's a chemical reaction,
It smells nice.
it smells lovely. It's a chemical reaction. It's also a reaction. It's called an exothermic reaction.
Same as 2
That
pack
means
filler,
the
innit?
energy is going out.
It does, yes. What is the energy though if it's thermic?
Heat.
Heat, yes. So it's
Heat is
exothermic,
going out.
so it gives off
Heat.
heat. So we're going, normally, it's pretty much the same as body filler and whatever. It's normally a golf ball
Two-pack
to a
filler.
pea. A golf ball to a pea. But because it's hot weather,
Not a lot.
we're not going to go as mad. done. You can laugh as much as you like, as long as it gets stuff done.
Okay.
Yeah?
What's this?
A little bit more.
A little bit more. That's not enough.
Pardon me. It's because I had burritos. Right. So you get your first layer on.
First layer is going.
Then we get our brush. And we load it. And we want it even both sides. So when we lay this on, it's got a little bit of over the edge. And what will happen is this fiberglass doesn't want to go where you want it to go. It's stubborn. So actually, can you get me a little bit of masking tape and just take the top of that fiberglass up there where he's holding it. So now, basically, that's all you have to do is work this in.
Simon says.
We did the fiberglass seat pad unit and the pad unit. The first layer,
Unit.
base,
Unit.
seat base,
Unit.
base unit pad.
Unit.
Double base.
And we got the first layers very, very well molded into the shape that we needed, and then the resin started to harden and get jelly very, very quickly because it's like 55 degrees in UK today. It's a record of the heat in this country. It happens once like 100 years. And the second two layers, this part, for example, has a air gap, air bubble, but I don't think it's going that high, so we might avoid it. The main thing, the base is quite good. That's what Simon says, because they'll have experience to say and compare. It doesn't look very pretty to me, but
Simon says it's
right.
All will be good.
Simon says?
All will be good. All will be good. You've got little bubbles up here, but this is on the secondary lot that we put on. The base layer that we put on earlier it's solid and sunk right in. So we're going to be trimming these bits off anyway. All of this is going to come off. We'll only be using the middle bit.
So you would say that the kit that I brought doesn't have enough raisins?
No, you need 2.
So you need 2 raisins for 1
Raisins.
kit of
Yeah.
raisins?
Not raisins. Raisins.
Resins.
Raisins are dried up
Raisins.
grapes.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, don't start. Don't start.
Because that's the same as you
Let's
do.
call it raisins.
Yeah,
And then we know that we need fiberglass raisins
What about sultanas?
and sultanas.
Raisins. So raisins. You need 2 raisins for 1 fiberglass
So-
sheet in the box.
Halfords.
Halfords, bear that in mind.
Step your game up.
Yeah, exactly. You can charge a little bit more, but with a little bit of raisins. Child, you're not doing your job. What do I have to do?
Don't pull that face for me.
I have to mark. It's already marked, isn't it?
Well, this side is.
And this side as well.
Did you do that?
Yeah.
Oh.
This bit is a bit wonky, it needs to go lower. But I think it needs to go lower anyway, slightly lower.
You can go slightly.
Yeah, I'm
round
thinking, I'm thinking not round but like lower.
Yeah.
I quite like when it's not round but like rectangular kind of shape on both sides. But this to go about like up to there, because I think this is slightly too high. Plus when it will be covered it will be even higher, so to go slightly lower.
Yeah.
And this, because this corner is low anyway, just to go have a little bit of an amp showing. But it depends, like what thickness is the padding.
That'd be about that thick there.
About the
And
thickness
about
of this.
thick here. Yeah. This is just going to be a covering, isn't it?
Yeah. So that, and then this is.
The seat, and then we've got the foam.
Yeah, the seat bit. To make it of something, to see visually, to decide how high it needs to go. Need a seat bit.
It's going to be about that, isn't it?
Yeah, and this needs to go lower.